Hi guys, so I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how to put the 5-piece clip in. They are the curly set in the synthetic hair. They are heat resistant, so you can do up to 160 heat. So I've already prepped my hair with a little bit of a wave, and then I will start. So first piece has got 3 clips that will go towards the nape of the neck. Then we've got a piece with 4 clips, so that sits just inside the ear. So as you see, that's the piece with the 4 clips, nice and so now you see we've got a piece with 5 clips that's going to go just above the ear and all the way around. So there we have with the 5 clips, and now onto the side. Okay, so I've already put one side in here. Now if your hair is quite fine and you don't necessarily need the 2 sides, the 3 as it is a lot of hair, so definitely you could get away with the 3. But just to give you a very quick trick as well, just to how to put the clips on, you take a piece of hair and then twiddle it, so you're creating a little twist. Take your clip, put that clip on the twist. That will hold it nice and secure without pulling on your hair. Okay, so now it's just a case of popping some of your waves into the curls. You can add obviously more curl onto the top of your hair. And there you go. That's your 5-piece set. So that's longer, fuller hair. Like I say, you can straighten it and recurl it. Best way to look after them is take a little bit of your conditioner, put it into a small spray bottle and dilute it, spray it, and then you can make the hair really nice and glossy and brushable. Have a go guys, let me know how you get on. If you need any help, then jot us a message. If you need any help colour matching as well, then again just DM us and we can help you out. Have a great day guys, bye!